Welcome to eCommerce Forest. I'm Rebecca Brocton and it's my birthday. Should you send me an email? The short answer to that question is yes. But why? When? How? Let's start with the why. Personal and meaningful birthday emails perform significantly better than regular promotional emails. Leading global provider of consumer insights, Experian, has kindly put together some stats for us. Compared to regular promotional emails, birthday emails generate almost 5 times higher transactional rates at 481%. They achieve 342% higher revenue per email and 179% higher unique click rates than promotional emails. In fact, birthday emails outperform promotional emails by almost every single KPI. With results like those, it won't just feel like it's your customer's birthday. It will feel like it's yours too, because they're so good. Get it? Not only that, who doesn't like to receive kind wishes on their birthday? Even if they don't convert, you'll have made your recipient feel special, and that'll do wonders for the perception of your brand. It's also an opportunity to re-engage those inactive users. You know, those ones that haven't opened your emails recently or clicked any links or bought from you at all. Get them intrigued with the promise of a gift, along with unusual, personalised and non-routine content. So you're gonna do it, it's a no-brainer. But how? Most, if not all, email marketing platforms will allow you to set up automated campaigns with varying degrees of complexity. Whether you're using Dotmailer, MailChimp, Bronto, Emarsys, Klaviyo, whoever it is, you will be able to set up this kind of campaign. The starting point is actually collecting the data. You can't guess someone's birthday, they'll have to tell it to you, and so you'll need an additional field in your online sign-up forms for the date, the birthday, and make sure you tell them why you want it. Consumers have never been more aware of the value of their data, and they are willing to give it you if they know they're going to be rewarded. Forget your return on investment. Think about theirs. What are they going to get back for giving you their birthday? A gift. It can be as simple as something like this. Side note, be careful of the kind of field you use to collect this data. There is a crazy number of ways someone can write out the date. You know, the Americans write it backwards. You could include the month. You could include the beginning of the year, like 1992, or you could just include the end, 92. There's so many different ways to write it out. You need to make sure that you collect the data in a way that you can use it. So give them specific fields: day, 1 to 31, month, 1 to 12, year, all the years that they could possibly choose from. Or don't collect year. Do you really need to know how old they are? Not really, you just need to know the day they were born. Also keep in mind that the more fields they are, the more likely a customer is to just bounce and leave that form. They can't be bothered to fill it in if it's too long. Name, email, birthday, you're gonna get a treat. They'll be willing to fill that in. You could always make it not required so that if they don't want to give you their birthday, they don't have to. But what about all those folks that have already subscribed and you haven't got the birthdays for? Well, you can run a promotional campaign to collect their missing data. I've seen a couple of these myself. It doesn't have to be too complicated, just short, sweet, and personal. This example from Home Store West Elm just had the simple subject line of "When's your birthday? We're planning a surprise. We're planning to give you something." Okay, you can have my birthday. No problem. Be creative. Take full advantage of your brand voice and speak to your customers in a way that they know and love. But whatever you do, don't use inaccurate data in these campaigns. Make sure that what you've got is solid, because all the effort that you put into writing a special message for someone or putting together a discount package will just be completely written off if you send it on the wrong day, to the wrong name, for the wrong gender, or just in something that they're completely not interested in. It will tarnish, it will do more bad than good. But let's say you've got all the data you need. Now you know the birthdays of all your wonderful subscribers, and you have a platform that allows you to create automated campaigns based on those dates. Now what? Well, it's time to brainstorm some birthday wishes that perfectly match your brand's tone of voice, graphics, and target audience. It needs to feel personal and human. Making them laugh or generating a positive emotional response will help build your brand advocacy with that customer and may lead to them sharing it on social media. But first, you need to get them to open it. And as we all know, the open rate of an email often comes down to its subject line. Here are some tips. If you can personalize it, do. Subject lines with first name personalization receive a 17% higher open rate. 2. Whether you're offering an incentive or not, your subject line must reflect expectations right away. So if you're giving them something, highlight it. Making it clear will increase your conversions. But if you're not, don't use subject lines like birthday treat inside or we have a treat for you if all you're saying in the email is happy birthday from us. Giving false hope will only damage your recipient's perception of your brand, which we don't want. To be honest, you should be careful sending birthday messages at all if you're not going to give them an incentive. Experian found that just 31% of people agreed with receiving emails from companies with just birthday wishes. And that's compared to 53% who agreed with receiving emails with personalised birthday messages along with a discount. So if you're going to wish us happy birthday, we want a gift as well. 3. Don't send spammy birthday emails that don't add value. This is their day, not yours. Birthday emails with no value are a classic example of personalisation for the sake of personalisation. What you should actually do is personalise the message as much as possible and suppress any other promotional emails that are due to be sent out that could interfere with that birthday message, which will require some thought and planning, but it's not impossible. When a birthday email is done right, it feels like a magical personal connection. When it's done wrong, it feels opportunistic and commercial, which is not what you want. So, when do you send them? Birthday email campaigns don't have to just be a one-day event. Yes, 55% of birthday emails are sent on the day, but the remaining 45% are spread out in the month around the birthday. Prior to their birthday, you can be sending out messages like, hey, it's your birthday month. Why not celebrate with 20% off for the whole month? You can give them the offer early, or you can let them know to look out for it and create that excitement and buzz around their birthday. Another example would be to send a get ready email. You know, if you're a fashion retailer or a beauty brand, you could say, come and get your birthday look for 20% off. There's so many ideas and all around a customer's birthday, making them feel special on that one day that's truly theirs. After the birthday has passed, you can send them reminder emails if they've not used their offer yet. Like, hey, this is going to expire in 2 days. Hey, we hope you enjoyed your birthday. Come and get some stuff now. Anything. Let them know they'll miss out if they don't take action. In summary, birthday emails are a really excellent way of engaging your customers. They're relatively easy to set up and extremely cheap to maintain. If you get this right and manage to create a meaningful and positive interaction with your customer, you'll have created a wonderful brand experience that will last the whole year round. And while that may not mean that the customer will immediately convert and buy something, it does mean that they're more likely to think of you when they need to, and they're more likely to be an advocate for your brand. Positives all round. It really is a win-win. This year, I had quite a few birthday emails, but I have to say, my favourite one came from Krispy Kreme. Oh my gosh, so good.